Good morning, everybody. So I had an Ipsy new haircut. My hair's still freaking out. I had an Ipsy account, and I keep delaying and delaying and delaying, and I don't know how because I thought I skipped it. This is gonna bother me. Please tell me how to make my hair lay down when it's curly. So anyway, I actually got an Ipsy delivery today, and I'm so excited. I saw the pink envelope, and my son checked them out for me. Yes, I'm in my jammies because it's my day off, and it's just a relaxing day. So I want to open this Ipsy package in front of you guys. I don't know what's in it. Ever since we moved, I have not been able to find any of my makeup, so I'm really hoping there's eyeliner and mascara in here because girl is hurting. So here we go. Here's the package. You can't miss it. It's bright pink. There's two things in here. This is Bronzed Rose Coconut Infused Blush and Bronzer. Ooh, we're going to open this one. And then this is a new Ipsy makeup bag, which I need because I can't find all my other stuff. Please let there be mascara and eyeliner in here. What do we have? Oh, I have Hemp's Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Herbal Body Moisturizer, Hydrate and Refresh. Is it focusing for you? It doesn't look like it, but I don't have my glasses on, so honestly, I can't tell you for sure. I feel like something is open because it's greasy. Yeah, this opened. But this is kind of cool. This is an Essential Sea Cleanser by Murad. Is this a facial cleanser? Yep, face and neck, rinse and pat dry. Okay. A vitamin C cleanser, and this stuff leaked. It's all over the place. It smells citrusy. Not bad. There's one more thing in here. Please be eyeliner. What is this? I think it's a mascara. Super curling and lifting mascara. This box, and it's in black, which is what I need. This box is like totally coated in that face wash. Let's take this out and take a look. Come on. Please be clean. The box is going straight in the trash because that's like all over the place. Hold on, let me wipe my hands off. Roller lash. I love the rose gold copper top. Rose gold top or copper top? It's not a battery. So here's the brush. Let's put it on. Not bad. It'll take a couple coats. And I've already got it on my face because I'm using my camera as my mirror. So, eyelashes, no eyelashes. I need mascara really bad in my life. Yes, I do. Thank you, Ipsy. I don't know how you did this. I didn't think I had the money for it, but God found a way to send me some mascara. So it's Roller Lash by Benefit. Super curling lifting mascara. Can you see the difference? I can see the difference. Yay, I have mascara. So my makeup bag needs to be cleaned out. Unfortunately, it is like soaked with this stuff. There's a little book in here that tells me what I got. I did not get, oh wait, no, I forgot. We have to open this thing. Open this. Okay, this box is perfectly clean and dry. Yay! So this is what it says. It's a bronze rose and coconut infused blush and bronzer. Wild rose and desert are the shades. So let's bust this bad boy open and take a peek. It's taped shut. Come on. I don't have scissors over here, but I do have a pencil because I was working on my bullet journal. Okay. Open. There we go. I'm going to get this out, I promise. Ooh, it has a mirror on the back. Girls, I am happy about that. Yes. So, we've got the blush and we've got the bronzer. Let me open this up and swatch it for you. I am really happy with this month. So this is July's Ipsy. So here's the blush. It's very sparkly and coppery. I don't know if you can tell right here. That'll match good with my skin tone. And then the bronzer, which is always my favorite, is right here. Wait, where'd it go? Right there. But now I'm like almost not sunburned. I'm almost tan now because I was at my sister's cabin on the lake and we had so much fun. 5 hours on the lake. It was the best day I've had in a really long time. Anyway, I am going to go ahead and put some mascara on the other eye, and I want you guys to stay tuned. If you like videos like this, if you like bullet journaling and crafting and DIYing and little hauls like this when I get stuff in the mail, please subscribe, like it, comment. I'll comment back. We can have a conversation. We can be buddies. I'll talk to you guys soon. God bless and rejoice in the day God gave you.